Hey guys, this is Anthony Romrell, and in this video we're going to build a scene loader. So the first thing we need to do is just take note as to what this scene name is. And this particular scene's named Added Character. So I'm going to do a save as, and I'm just going to rename this level. Maybe let's name it level 1. So I'm going to put it in assets. And I'll put this under scenes, class examples, and I will put this in a new folder called UI. Okay, great. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new scene. So new scene, this will be a blank scene. I'll just do this as basic 2D built in. Okay, and I'm going to save this scene. So file, save, and I'll name this start. Right, and I'll put it in scenes, class examples, and UI again. Great. Now I'm going to take these two scenes and I'm going to go, there's a few things we need to do. First thing is we need to go to our build settings. So I'm going to go to build profiles here, and I am going to say this is active for Mac OS. This is great. And I am going to load a scene. So I have to put a scene in here. So I'm going to open my scene list, and I'm going to add my open scene. And I am going to add one more scene to my list. So I'm going to close that down, and we're going to go back to UI and level 1 and go to build profiles again, add open scene. So now I have my start scene and my level scene both available to build. Okay, and your UI might be a little different, but this is how it looks in Unity 6. So then I'm going to go back to the start scene, and I'm going to create a button. So we're going to go to UI. We're going to go to button, Text Mesh Pro. Okay, it puts a button down at the bottom. I'm going to relabel this start button. Okay, and I'm going to change its position to the center of the screen, and maybe put it just a teeny bit lower here. I'll hit the F key to frame it. We'll go to that start button, hit W, move it down just a teeny bit, and I'll add another UI. So I'm going to click on my canvas, UI, Text Mesh Pro, and I'll call this Cool Game. You're probably going to want a title, right? And the text, we're going to put Cool Game. That's really lame, I know. We'll have to work on that. It's a work in progress, right? And then you have formatting options so I can center it, right? Now this word start button, I'm gonna actually rename this title. This start button, I'm just going to come on down here, open up the text label right here. We're going to call this label. And then I'm going to change in the inspector, I'm just going to change the word start. And you'll notice that on the button it has a click method, right? So I'm going to add to this a script. So I'm going to put my scene loader on here, and load type scene, great. Load scene, that's fine. And then what I'm going to do is on this on click method, hit this plus button, and I am going to drop this scene loader to it, and I'm going to call a function. So scene loader, and it should be load scene with a string. Okay, and I'm going to put level 1, and it has to be the exact same spelling as my scene here. Okay, and we're going to save this. I'm going to hit play to test it out, and I should be able to hit that start button, and There it goes, loads my scene up. And as soon as I hit stop, it goes back to my loader scene. So that is how we use Unity to load a level.